Hello everyone, I hope you're having a nice weekend and welcome to a new video for the price updates of Solana based on Elliott Wave analysis. Inside the daily chart of Solana, we can see a clear impulse in orange color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing the wave 3 of a bigger impulse happening inside Solana. 1, 2, 3, finished 4, and we are looking for a wave 5 towards the upside. Now inside the wave 5, we can see a finished wave 1 here after a correction of a B, and a C. We can see clearly a wave 1 and a wave 2, which we are expecting exactly at the fib levels of this green box between the 145 and the $134. Now after hitting this fib level, we are expecting a massive and explosive wave towards the upside. And okay, so what happened now inside this wave 2 is a little bit tricky because of course of the fear in the market in this weekend due to the US recession news, right? So we can see like a very massive and choppy wave 2 going towards the downside. The wave 2 has started already from here. This is your wave 1 where it has finished. We have a 3 wave down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a flat here. And to get a much more clear scenario here, I'm gonna put exactly the labels on. So as you can see, we have a flat a B, and a C, finishing the C exactly on the 1.618 fib level, making it a perfect flat, expanding flat, finishing with a 5 wave in pink. Now, if that is your first wave for this wave 2, as labeled as A in red, then we are looking for a wave B, right? In a wave B, we don't see any other retracement in the whole wave towards the downside. We cannot see any retracement towards the upside other than this retracement again. So if we then want to find a wave B for this whole wave, then this is the only option that we have, right? So we have now A, B, and a C towards the downside, right? Now a wave C should be of course impulsive in 5 waves, where we can see already 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? Finished a 5 wave perfectly, and even one more for a 5 for a lower low, right? Hitting exactly the fib level required for a wave 2 and a wave C exactly where it should hit only, not only, but preferably the fib level of 1 at $142, which is this this fib level is taken of course from the start of the flat here and to the base point of the A and to the start of the B, giving us a zigzag fib level, right? Exactly on the 1 fib level, which we have hit perfectly so far. And after having this massive correction, what we are expecting is of course a trend towards the upside, right? An explosive trend towards the upside after finishing the wave 2. Now in the bearish scenario, if a continuation has followed here, right, then we are looking for something else, right? We are looking to a bearish scenario, to a reversal for the market, especially if we hit, of course, the 886, right? Now it can go further. We have still space so far for a wave 2 or for a wave C as extension, but once we touch this level at $128, that would reverse our market totally. By all means, it will still going up, however, but it's not going up for an impulse. I'm gonna show you this on a bigger picture, on a the 4-hour chart maybe, or even the daily, that would be much even clearer. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna clean up this thing. So let's expect that we have here a, rather than a wave 3 after a bigger impulse, then this is a finished impulse and this is a wave C, right? We are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for an A, perfect. We have 1, 2, 3, a B, also perfect, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 4, 5 here for a C, that's perfect. That makes it an A, B, C with perfect ways, perfect reading and counting, right? And next we are seeing an impulsive wave, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, if that is not a 1, if that is not a 1 and a 2, that means this, the only option is an A, right? And an A with a 5 waves need another 5 waves in C, right? Therefore, what we are looking for, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3 for the B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a C. Now, of course, as I mentioned, this is a bearish scenario again, right? Don't be happy so much that we are going, for all-time high, because this is a trap, right? This is a finished ABC towards the upside, tricking all the traders that we are going for all-time high and maybe getting an all-time high and then massively going down towards the downside. Why I'm saying this? Because the end result of this thing is gonna be this: A, B, and a C, right? After finishing this C here, we're gonna get a flat towards the downside, right? Because we're gonna have 1, 2, 3 for A, 1, 2, 3 for B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for C. And therefore, this will turn our market, right, to a very bearish market. However, the good side from this is that we are still expecting a wave towards the upside. Whether it stops here or it moves on, we are still looking towards the upside, which can save some traders or some viewers of this channel, right, to save their trades. Okay. Now, of course, the worst case scenario is that we go to the 886, okay, to the 886 of this. Let's reverse, right? Touching the 886 of the wave 2, as I mentioned before. In that case, we're not gonna see a higher high. Okay, it's gonna go up, but it's gonna end with a regular flat. Okay, and ending this with a regular flat is gonna bring the same result at the end as A, B, and C, then A, B, and C, right? And giving us 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then looking for a wave C towards the downside. Okay, so be careful, guys. The market is tricky, of course. However, in both scenarios, we are looking towards the upside. We're gonna read what's gonna happen, of course, later on after going towards the upside. All what we need to see now is a 5 waves towards the upside, whether this is a C or a wave 5, okay, for an impulse. So that was it for Solana, guys. I hope that this was helpful for what is going on. And of course, all the choppy downside that we see is related to the market fear that has been created. However, another scenario that I would mention here is that we might still not finished yet. We might still want to see a clearer 3 waves down, right? Rather than just this 3 waves, okay? It might be like that, okay? So we might see a pull up and to these fib levels almost, and then see a downside again, creating extreme fear market and sell off, and yeah, and then hitting again the wave 2 and move up towards the upside. Okay, it's a scenario that it could happen. However, for Bitcoin did not reach yet is this green box, to be honest. Now Solana did already, and I think because almost of the altcoin are dropping like much stronger than Bitcoin, right? So we're gonna watch what's gonna happen with altcoin, right? And we're gonna see if we're gonna get some uptrend from there, from this box. Now, of course, I'm expecting a range first, maybe more drop down and then move up maybe. So as I said, this area, you are still in the safe. I mean, better to stay over this 786 area, okay? Once we move down, we are in a very, very dangerous area to have a reversal for the market. Okay, so that was it for Solana. I hope that you liked the update. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe for this channel if you didn't yet. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.